Aloo gobi is a popular Indian vegetable. It's a dry vegetable and liked by kids, adults, and everyone. It is a plant-based recipe, vegan, totally vegetarian. आलू गोभी की सब्जी सबको पसंद होती है, छोटों से लेके बड़ों तक। ये शादियों में भी बनाई जाती है या जब भी मेहमान आते हैं तब भी बनाई जाती है। To start with the recipe, I'm going to take one big cauliflower. This is enough. 2 large potatoes. 1 large size onion. You can take red onion as well as white onion. If you like it spicy, you can add green chilies or red chilies. Here is ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons each.
And 2 ripe tomatoes. Sometimes cauliflower has larva, worms and dirt in it. So I always make sure to soak this with 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Soaking the vegetables in vinegar solution cleans them thoroughly. Now, drain the water after a few minutes and run tap water. This ensures a complete cleaning process for cauliflower and other vegetables too. Place a kitchen towel and pat dry the vegetables. Take a heavy bottom pan, add in 3 tablespoons of mustard oil preferably, but in any case you can use other edible oils too. Let the mustard oil heat for 5 minutes on high flame, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them splutter for a while. Now add the cauliflower florets. This should be done on high flame as we have to saute these. Add salt, 1 teaspoon at this stage. We will be adding the salt afterwards too. Adding salt at this stage makes the sauteing process much fast and the florets will be tastier too. Switch off the flame and remove the cauliflower florets when they are golden brown in color. Now the same thing we have to do with the diced potatoes. These are the spices which I will be using in the vegetable. This is asafoetida in the blue box. This is cumin powder, black peppercorns, whole black peppercorns. This is garam masala and these are carom seeds. Ajwain we call this in Hindi. Here you can see our potatoes are beautifully roasted now. Take them out as well on the kitchen towel. Discard all the remaining oil left. We don't need this oil now. Switch on the flame and add 1/4 teaspoon hing powder which is asafoetida. Then 6 to 7 peppercorns, black peppercorns. These are carom seeds, ajwain in Hindi. It helps in digestion. Now goes in 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, jeera. To this add chopped garlic and ginger. After this add chopped green chilies and saute for about 1 minute. We have already removed the excess oil, so there is no oil in the pan, it's just the spices. It's time to add potatoes and cauliflower which we have roasted earlier. My friends, take a look at this kitchen towel. All the excess oil is absorbed by it, so there is no excess oil in the vegetable. Okay. 1 teaspoon salt we have already added earlier. So this time we are adding 1 teaspoon again. Be careful not to add any excess salt. Adding 2 teaspoon turmeric, curcumin, some more. Goes in red chili powder. It will make the vegetable very tasty, but in case if you don't eat it, skip that. Garam masala 2 teaspoon. In any case, if you don't add chili powder, don't worry, because the garam masala in itself has black pepper powder in it, so the vegetable will be a little bit spicy. Add 2 chopped tomatoes, which will be around full 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro leaves. Saute this very well now for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 teaspoon coriander powder, which is called dhania powder in Hindi. Add in 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, bhuna hua jeera. Cook all of these by covering it with a lid for about 5 to 8 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am checking if the tomatoes have turned to pulp or not. Cover it again. Tomatoes are done now. Now we can add the chopped onions. Saute this very well. My friends, if at this point of time you feel that the vegetable is dry, you can sprinkle some water and cover it for about 2 minutes. That will be enough. Look at this. Look at this. Our aloo gobi is ready to eat. In the next video, I am going to make some chapatis and salad. Cover it.
Here I am done with aloo gobi vegetable. Now I am going to prepare few chapatis and salad.